Kia ora Tifano and welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Georgie. I like to make videos about veganism, sustainability, my life as a university student and a dog mum. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please keep watching today's video and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. For today's video, I have a little bit of a very fun weekend vlog. It was one of my very close, nearest and dearest friends' 21st. What I did before her birthday, during her birthday and after. It was a fantastic weekend and I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along. I had heaps of fun and I can't wait to watch the video and relive it. It is Saturday, done Saturday circuit at my gym and my friend's birthday party today. Once again, I am running late. There's so much I still need to do and I should have already been there. This is my outfit. I'm wearing docs. I can't decide between my two white dresses. They're the same kind of vibe. Okay, so now it's almost 12 o'clock and I'm on my way to pick up. This is very last minute. Today's the day. It's her birthday. We're going to pick up a gift voucher today. Her favorite spirit on the way over, and I have to drop the car back to Jackson at work and get one of the girls to pick me up on the way there. It's all over the place. But yeah, I'm on my way to do that now and I'll keep you guys posted. So it's Sunday at 11 AM. Had a bit of a sleep in, a little bit hungover. Gotta go pick up Kaya from my mum's house and probably get a few little bits of groceries. I do not want to do a full grocery shop, but we need some food and I am not gonna lie, gonna be a lazy day today and I'm completely fine with that. I'm looking forward to it and I'll bring you along if anything else happens. It's still Sunday, it's 8:30 p.m. now. The girls were over for a little bit this afternoon. We had some Greater Goods, amazing, and watched a movie, had a nap. They ended up leaving. I did some editing of a video and that has taken me like 2-3 hours. The house is a absolute sty, but luckily Jackson's home during the days throughout the week, so he can deal with that and I could just focus on some other stuff. I was more focused on just resting and recovery today. Tomorrow back into the swing of things. That's the end of my Sunday. I'm about to head to bed and get a good night's sleep before an early start tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Please comment down below what you got up to this weekend. Thanks for coming and joining me today, guys. Hakite!